Hi, my name is Alex Bradley. I am a zoo educator here at Grandfather Mountain Stewardship Foundation. We are here in front of the elk habitat. We have 3 elk here at Grandfather. We have Duck, Watson, and Merle. They've been with us for only about 2.5 years, and they actually came from the Piedmont area here in North Carolina. So today we're going to be giving them some bucket lids with syrup, white vinegar, and oats and raisins. So hopefully they will enjoy this delicious treat.